The number of people using tobacco products has decreased in other parts of the world, but it's rising here in Africa. This is partly due to an increase in the production of tobacco products and aggressive marketing by this tobacco industry. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun explores the issue and the push by activists to put an end to tobacco farming.
The World Health Organization has tagged it as an epidemic with one of the biggest public health challenges the world has ever faced, killing more than 8 million people around the world every year. Within the WHO African region, the number of tobacco users increased from 64 million adult users in 2000 to 73 million in 2018. Across the globe, around 3.5 million hectares of land are converted for tobacco growing, which contributes to deforestation of about 200,000 hectares of land. Tobacco growing and production worsens food insecurity, and at this year's World No Tobacco Day, activists are pushing for an end to tobacco production and use in Nigeria.
Our system of farming tobacco in Nigeria is a basic monopoly market such that the tobacco industry supply to the farmers the inputs that they need in the production. When you look at the life of an average tobacco farmer, you discover that that farmer, number one, is impoverished. Number two, you discover that that farmer is sick. You discover that even the entire household of that farmer are impoverished and going through multi-dimensional levels of poverty. Then of what use is tobacco farming to the farmers?
The farmers are left stranded, they are frustrated, they are not able to plant cash crops on these lands because, of course, tobacco destroys the land. So the land is no longer fertile enough for the farmers to actually grow things like maize and cassava.
They are using this year's theme, "We need food, not tobacco," to draw attention to the devastating dangers of tobacco farming and the need to ensure that farmers have better lives.
We therefore call on the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development to make known the extent of tobacco farming in Nigeria. It is also important that the ministry rolls out plans to help tobacco farmers transition to nutritious and healthy crops such as maize, cassava, guinea corn, and even livestock.
Profits gained from tobacco as a cash crop may not undo the damage done to sustainable food production in low and middle income countries, further biting harder on increased food insecurity across the region. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.